About cooling towers. 1. What is a cooling tower? 2. How does a cooling tower work? 3. What are the different types of cooling towers? 4. Where are cooling towers used? 5. What are the benefits of using a cooling tower? These questions are likely so popular because cooling towers are used in a wide variety of industries and applications, including power generation, manufacturing, and HVAC systems. Additionally, cooling towers can be complex and expensive pieces of equipment, so it is important for people to understand how they work and the different types available before making a purchase decision. Here are some brief answers to each of the top 5 questions. 1. What is a cooling tower? A cooling tower is a device that removes heat from a liquid, usually water. Cooling towers are used in many industrial and commercial applications, including power plants, chemical refineries, and HVAC systems. 2. How does a cooling tower work? Cooling towers work by using evaporation to remove heat from water. As the water evaporates, it absorbs heat from the surrounding air. This process is known as evaporative cooling. 3. What are the different types of cooling towers? There are 2 main types of cooling towers: wet cooling towers and dry cooling towers. Wet cooling towers use evaporation to remove heat from water, while dry cooling towers use air to remove heat from water. 4. Where are cooling towers used? Cooling towers are used in a wide variety of industries and applications, including power generation, manufacturing, and HVAC systems. Cooling towers are also used in some residential applications, such as large homes and apartment buildings. 5. What are the benefits of using a cooling tower? Cooling towers offer a number of benefits, including increased efficiency. Cooling towers can help to improve the efficiency of industrial and commercial processes by removing heat from liquids. This can lead to reduced energy costs and increased productivity. Reduced environmental impact. Cooling towers can help to reduce the environmental impact of industrial and commercial activities by reducing the amount of heat released into the environment. Improved safety. Cooling towers can help to improve the safety of industrial and commercial facilities by removing heat from hazardous materials. Thanks for watching. Please check description for much more details.